Hello, everyone. My name is Narumi Ogawa. Today, I am going to share what I do and how I help people become the best lymphatic drainage therapist and help you to make $10,000 a month within 90 days guaranteed. So, Lymphatic Drainage Dojo was actually created just 6 months into my healing practice. And I was able to make from $5,000 a month to $16,000 a month within 30 days. So if you follow these steps, you are able to make $10,000 a month within 90 days easily. So what do I mean by the best lymphatic drainage specialist? The definition of best is build your unique healing brand you always wanted. Fully book the calendar. Attract your ideal clients easily and effortlessly. Have a business that financially secure and sustainable. And you wake up feeling excited every morning. As a healer, we need to know three things. We need to know the mindset, the spiritual part of a business. And number two, we need to know skills, not just the regular skills. We have to know advanced skills of a lymphatic drainage technique. And number three, we have to know how to build your business, the business structure. And even if you miss one of those things, your business won't be sustainable. And when you go to any type of workshops, either lymphatic drainage workshops or business workshops or the spiritual personal development workshop, they don't teach everything. There's always one missing, right? If you go to lymphatic drainage workshops, they're not going to teach you about the business or spirituality, right? So I've spent so many hours, I've invested so much money to find the right workshop, and I couldn't find one. There's always one missing. And this is not the only problem we face as a healer. This is actually a bigger problem. The bigger problem is people don't usually teach us how to implement. So a lot of people say knowledge is power, but actually knowledge is not power. Knowledge is just potential power. So if we don't know how to implement, how to apply the knowledge to our healing practice, it is useless. So Lymphatic Drainage Dojo was born because I went through all of that. And the Lymphatic Drainage Dojo teach you the spiritual part, technical part, business part, and implementation. So it is uniquely crafted for your needs. And there are three pillars under Lymphatic Drainage Dojo. And the pillar one, which is called Evolve Beyond the Limits, this focuses on about you. It's all about you. And in this pillar, you are going to uncover your true identity as a healer and entrepreneur. Here's a problem we are facing as a healer. Many healers jump into hands-on skills, hoping to technique alone will bring success. But you know that is not true because especially method like lymphatic drainage, which is deeply connected to our physical flow, our liquid intelligence. This method is deeply connected to our energy level, our client's energy level. It's not just the physical level. So your clients will feel anything that you carry. So if you're not aligned with who you are, your clients will feel your misalignment. And this misalignment unconsciously block your own success. So in this pillar, evolve beyond limit, you are going to learn who you are, what you really love, what you're good at, what world needs you, and what you can be paid for. And after finding who you truly are, you're going to realize that there are things that blocking you to be successful. It can be negative money talk, maybe it's a self-sabotaging activities, right? So we're going to uncover those shadow part of you, and we're going to change that. We are going to do identity shift. And here's the thing, personal branding, especially in a healing practice, is a deeper process of finding who you are. It is not all about tactics, social media followers, or marketing tricks. It is getting in touch with who you are. It's about uncovering hidden wounds, integrating your truth, and aligning with your essence. When you truly know who you are, you naturally attract who resonate with your energy. So, if you don't know who you are and what makes you you, there is still inner work to be done. So, we're going to do that inner work. So, pillar one is really, really deep. So, finding out who you are, working on your shadow side. In next pillar, we're going to come to workshop, and you get to learn advanced lymphatic drainage techniques. In this 4-day in-person hands-on learning workshop, you are going to learn so-called OG of lymphatic drainage, aka the water technique, right? So from water technique to Japanese style lymphatic drainage, body contouring, anatomy and physiology of lymphatic system, just to name a few, you also learn esoteric anatomy and physiology, how to use your intuition, case study. You get to really experience my hands, and also you pair up with partners and practice on each other all day. And you have an opportunity to take videos, and you take that with you and you go home and keep practicing. So this is not just a 4-day workshop, and I'm going to guide you after you're going home, and I'm going to guide you if you have any questions, right? So in this pillar 2, you are going to have advanced lymphatic technique. I hope you're following so far. So after mastering your true self, your spiritual part, and after mastering your advanced technique, now in pillar 3, we're going to actually sit together, and I'm going to help you how to brand your business, how you can set new pricing in the market, how you can attract the right clients, how you can build your website. This is just a few things to name a few, okay? And you don't have to do a guesswork. I will help you. We sit together, like I said. So this is a 3-month supporting program, and you get to have one-on-one weekly call with me. This is going to be a personalized coaching calls every week. And this includes the 4-day hands-on learning workshop. And you have a direct access to me anytime. And I will respond your message within 6 to 12 hours, 12 hours max, so that you don't lose the momentum because you don't want to wait around if you have any questions or concerns, right? I want to keep a momentum. I want to be your accountability partner. Okay. So why 3 months? Why 3 months? Because there are 32 trillion cells in your body, and in the next 24-hour period, your body will turn over 300 billion new cells, which means in 84 days, about 90 days, not a single living cell in your body will be with you, which means you will be a completely different human being. So imagine what's possible when you pair that natural transformation with deep learning, spiritual activation, and next level skill development. That is why, exactly why, what 3 month lymphatic drainage dojo mentorship is designed for you to evolve. So you will refine your hands-on technique, strengthen your energetic presence, and rebuild your business model from inside out. And you are not just getting new tools, you are becoming a new version of yourself. Because if your body renews itself every 84 days, then you have the power to choose who you become in that time. I hope this really makes sense. Isn't that like great? I was really amazed by knowing this information. So, Lymphatic Drainage Dojo is the only business growth system designed specifically for lymphatic drainage therapists who wants to build a profitable, sustainable practice while mastering advanced techniques that set you apart. So, what you need to do next? What you need to do next is to book a discovery call with me. If you think this is the right fit for you, book a call with me. The link is available in the description below. And I really look forward to seeing you. I really look forward to seeing you. And let me help you. Let's work together. Okay? I look forward to seeing you. Thank you.